The low pressure area that had developed in the North Andaman Sea in the meanwhile has been converted to a depression and is expected to be converted to a cyclonic storm by tomorrow. And this cyclonic storm is expected to move northwesterly direction, and it may hit the landmass on 26th May between north coastal Paradip of Odisha to Sagar Island in West Bengal. So, considering that the detailed path landfall point not yet arrived, the state government in Odisha has taken a lot of preemptive preparatory actions for evacuating large number of people from all the vulnerable houses, vulnerable zones and low-lying areas which are going to be inundated due to the storm surge estimated to be between 3 to 4 meters. We are taking 3 parameters into consideration: a probable landfall in Odisha, a very severe cyclonic storm of 120 to 165 km of wind speed, a rainfall of 250 millimeter to 300 millimeter plus, and a 3 to 4 meter of storm surge. Considering these 4 parameters, we have prepared our action plans for evacuation, shelter management, following COVID protocols, and all our restoration plans are in place. All the departments concerned have mobilized adequate manpower, machinery and material for expeditious restoration if required. Further, 22 NDRF teams, more than 50 Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force teams, and about more than 175 state fire service teams have been already mobilized and deployed to the field. Further, additional 10 NDRF teams will be joining us, who will be deployed tomorrow early morning. We are also working out, considering if the landfall comes in Odisha, and looking at the path, we may add some more areas under our heightened preparedness, and maybe we will also deploy more forces if required to those areas.